What's up you guys, Charles here and welcome back to the channel. Now first of all, I know some of you have seen that I haven't been uploading for about a month now. That's just because I took a month off for summer, and I'll probably be doing this every summer in the future. Or at least until I get an editor, because the time to edit all these videos is quite a lot. But now we got that over with, we can now go directly into the video. So I was looking at my demographics and I could see that most of the people watching are students. And so I thought a perfect video would be to show all the best student discounts and where you can get them, because, you know, saving money as much as you can is the best thing to do at university, so you can spend it elsewhere or save and invest, you know, whatever you want to do. And so I've come up with the best places. Some of them you might know already, but some others you might not know, to get discounts at university and save money. Now in terms of student discount sites that are available, there are only mainly 4, and 2 of them you probably know of, but I'll keep the ones that you don't know of until last. So the first one and most common one that most people know about is Unidays. Now with Unidays, it's a good idea to make an account and have the email signed up to it, because often offers come on and off of there and are only there for a limited amount of time. For example, at some point there was 50% off Byron before, well, they went bellies up, so Byron don't exist anymore. But they also have some for Franco Manca, some discounts at Wasabi. That's just food. They also have other stuff online. Just Eat, they have discounts on, Domino's also, and these things come and go, so it's always good to have it set up, or at least have notifications on the app or something. And the good thing with Unidays is it has a lot of offers, and because it's more well known, companies tend to put their offers on Unidays more than other places, but in the other places you also get really good offers. Now the second one for discounts, but it isn't particularly for student discounts, but discounts in general, is Honey. And you've probably heard about it since they sponsor a lot of YouTubers. They haven't sponsored me, so Honey, if you're watching, feel free to sponsor me. But they do give you a huge amount of vouchers, and people put in their vouchers. And Honey, if you have it as a Chrome extension and you're shopping with Google Chrome, will automatically tell you if there's discounts on this site and what you can use it for. And it's personally saved me probably hundreds of pounds by now, since I've been using it for a while. So make sure to download that as a Chrome extension. It doesn't really cost you anything, and it can save you a huge amount of money. Now the third site you want to know about, which is sort of common, but a lot of people don't know about it actually, well, I was surprised to see, is Student Beans. So Student Beans has a huge amount of discounts actually. They have some on Gymshark, 10% off Gymshark, 15% off NordVPN, so if you're ever trying to watch stuff from a server in a different country, then you can use VPN for that, and it's pretty useful. 10% off Nintendo, for example, 20% student discount off Levi's, and then you have some Prime student discounts and a bunch of other things. You can scroll through Student Beans and see what discounts they have, but they have quite a few. And also, once again, with all these sites, you know, offers come and go, so you want to have your notifications on if you're interested in that, or at least have a look every once in a while, because they do have pretty good discounts every once in a while. And last but not least, you should also get a NUS card. It was formerly known as Totem, and you can go on their website, either type in Totem or NUS, but then you get a card which doubles up as a student ID. And they also have a huge amount of student discounts on their websites. For example, in health and fitness, they have discounts on protein shakes and different vitamins and loads of other stuff, of course. In fashion, they also have a lot of discounts of clothes. So for example, the most notable ones are Boohoo Man and ASOS. And also they have a few in beauty, not that I know about them, but they have them off a lot of skincare products and also mascara brands and other things like that. Now those were the 4 main ones, but also companies do them independently, and even just, you know, walking into a McDonald's, for example, you can get a free McFlurry off a meal just by showing your student cards. They don't publicly advertise it, but if you ask, then they do give it to you. And a lot of shops on the high street just in general do give you student discounts. You just have to ask for them. So make sure to do that when you're in the shops. But there are also major ones like Apple gives you money off to buy their Apple products. Other notable ones are Amazon Prime. They give you 6 months free. So that might be useful as you're just moving into university. So you can order the stuff off Amazon that you don't have or are missing as you're trying to gather up stuff for the first year or second year. And also it comes, of course, with Amazon Prime videos, so you can have access to all those films. Microsoft Office also gives you 1 terabyte free of storage through OneDrive. And so 1 terabyte, if you don't know, then 1 terabyte is pretty huge. And so that's useful if you're writing a lot of essays or have to download big projects onto your computer, so you can instead download them onto the drive. So it saves your computer from going slow and loads of other things. And another notable one is if you're going shopping for groceries and your closest supermarket is Co-op, then you can have 10% off Co-op if you've got an NUS card, so that's formerly known as Totem card. For food and drink, you've got Domino's discounts, Papa John's discounts, Pole discounts, so Pole's a French bakery, if you guys don't know. You can also get discounts at places like Timberland, Topshop, Topman, but as well for stuff like Apple Music and Spotify. Now that's it for today's video, but before you go, I do just want to give you the website that I'll put down in the description. That is moneysavingexpert.com. They have the student discounts on their website and they often update it. And also, if you've gained any value from this video, I'd really appreciate it if you did smash that like button. It really helps me and the channel reach more people thanks to the YouTube algorithm. And of course, any form of interaction, as you probably know by now, helps boost the YouTube algorithm. And if you've got any questions or want to leave any comments, of course, comment down below. And if you want to see more videos in the future about how to manage money, invest money, and save money, make sure to smash that subscribe button too. See you next time.